First, we sew up these shapes together as illustrated. We need two of this panel, one right side down, long side up, the other right side up, long side down. So that is our front and back panel. Then we're going to connect these two panels together. What we do is we're adding more shapes. And then half hexagon and half hexagon. So we're going to show this side to the back panel. And then we hold it and then show the other half to the front panel. We are going to do the same on the other side. So we're adding more shapes. So you will need to show these to the back panel. Then sew the other half to the front panel. So like this. If you are making a size large, you need to add 3 more hexagon shapes to each side. Again, you sew half to the back panel and hold it. Sew the other half to the front panel. If you are making a size extra large, then you're just repeating this line. So 2 hexagon and then 2 half hexagon. Again, sew half to the back and half to the front panel. We have the bodice finished. It looks like this. Now we're going to put single crochet stitches around the border. For the whole hexagon, we put single crochet stitches into every stitch. For the half hexagon shape, we put 2 single crochets in between the double crochets. So 2 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 2 single crochet, and then put 1 single crochet into the middle, and 2 single crochet, 2 single crochet, 2 single crochets. So let's start. Slip knot, attach yarn into the corner. Chain 1, this is counted as 1 single crochet. Then single crochet stitches into every stitch. Now we are at this half hexagon. So 2 single crochets, 2 single crochets, 2 single crochets, 1 single crochet, 2 single crochets, 2 single crochets, 2 single crochets, 2 single crochets. Now we are at this whole hexagon shapes. So 1 single crochet into every stitch. We are at a half hexagons again. So 2 single crochet stitches, 2 single crochets, 2 single crochets, then 1 single crochet into the middle, 2 single crochets, 2 single crochets, 2 single crochets, then we are back to the whole hexagon. So then single crochet into every stitch. So 1 single crochet stitches into every stitch. Repeat this pattern. I will meet you at the end of the row. We are at the end of the row. So slip stitch into the chain 1. Then chain 1 for more secure. Do the same and put single crochet stitches around the other side of the border. So same as this border. Now we're going to sew the straps on. So I will use 4 shapes for the straps on each side. We have finished this project. Hope you will like it. See you next time.